your mind. You know I'm trying to get into college right now and I can't be slipping. Hey man, I'm not trying to waste my life on a block like the rest of these fools. Man, I gotta get out of here. You tripping. Damn.
Who are you talking to? I know. You ain't talking to me like you crazy. Let me tell you something, boy. You better be glad I ain't leave you nowhere like so many parents do. They just drop them off places because, you know, it's no winning and winning, always complaining. You better be glad I ain't leave you in the system somewhere. Because kids are back and so ungrateful.
Whatever, man.
What you say? I can't hear you speak.
Oh, I wish you get busy doing something around here.
I am busy. Don't you see me doing something?
Man, every time you clean up is when a man's coming over. It's like you always forget about it. Your friends, your party, don't give me that. Is that more important to us?
What? Do you know this cost me $10 and a lap dance to get this? Don't be doing that. You owe me $10. $10. Sit on off. Let me tell you something, dog. Your brother got a line up. He keep going out there saying that Guess where he gonna be? Guess, take a hypothetical guess.
Where my words gonna be?
He gonna be dead just like his daddy.
How can you say something like that?
Look, Orlando, I done all I can do for you. What else you want from me?
Just be there sometime!
I am here. Don't you see me? I'm here.
You know what? This fella has been apart since daddy died. You tripping and we need you. You know that. My brothers are hustling. What's the real shit you don't even know? What type of mother doesn't know what her own child is doing? You don't know because you too busy and let these men abuse you. Daddy never hurt you. He only wanted the best for his family. Stay home sometimes, mama. He love you. I love you.